Cantabil Retail India Ltd, a ready-made garments manufacturer and retailer, with a market cap of 2,138 crore rupees, and currently trading at 262 rupees per share. The company has a 18% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 60% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company was incorporated as Kapish Products Private Limited in year 1985. Later they started manufacturing and launched Cantabil brand in year 2000. They are headquartered in New Delhi and are engaged in the business of designing, manufacturing, branding, and retailing of apparel. With more than 460 retail outlets and more than 3,800 employees. Their manufacturing facility is located in Bahadurgarh, Haryana with production capacity of 15 lakh garment pieces per annum. Company got listed on BSE and NSE from October 2010, with IPO price band of Rs 127 to 135 per share. The current product portfolio breakdown of the company is 86% menswear, 9% women's wear, 2% kids wear, and 3% accessories. The company's retail outlet presence is growing. Currently they have more than 460 retail outlets all over India, indicating fast expansion. The performance of the company in fiscal year 2021 was impacted by COVID-19. However, the company was still making profits. Post-COVID, it is showing good signs of recovery and growth. There is no drop in the promoters' holding of the company. We can see some foreign investments. As of now, there are no domestic investments in the company. Coming to some key highlights. The company have retail outlet presence in 227 cities of 19 states. They are ranked among the top 1000 most valuable companies listed on stock exchange. There are plans to open new retail outlets in high potential markets. Company is focused on improving its e-commerce infrastructure and digital marketing. Company has negligible turnover contribution of 0.1% from export. Credit rating of the company was enhanced by Investment Information and Credit Rating Agency for the fiscal year 2022-2023. Company plans to double its revenue by fiscal year 2026. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.